Hi there, welcome back to another daily yoga flow. In today's video, we will be focusing on our neck, shoulders, back, and arms, and overall the entire well being, which will help you to move better on your daily day to day chores. Let's get started. All you need yoga mat, yourself, and a will to flow with me. Firstly, make yourself comfortable. Keep your spine neutral, straight, like water is falling from the back. Hand could be over the knees or to the sides or over the thighs. And just close your eyes if you haven't already. And breathe in and out carefully. And try to center yourself with your breath. 3 to 5 rounds of breath. Focused, aligned. Natural inhale and exhale. Just center yourself, and when you feel you're calm and composed, gently open your eyes and then begin with rotating your wrists first. Rotate them outwards and open the arms to the sides of your body. Keep the arms strong and straight. Rotate wrists clockwise as well as anti-clockwise and bring them back again to the center and raise your arms over your head. Grab elbows, keep spine neutral, chest open, shoulder open, head parallel to the floor, and then clasp the joint fingers. Bring the left hand down, keep the right hand up, and change the arm. This time right hand goes down and left up. Now bow the arms to the sides. Now bring the right arm over the left. Keep it straight, strong. Do the same. Bring the left one to the right side. Look away and bring back. Inhale, hands goes overhead. Exhale to the chest. Inhale all the way up. Exhale to the heart center. Inhale back. Hold it up there and continue breathing. Keep your gaze in between the thumb, and with the exhale, bring it to the chest. Again, breathing in and out. And now, place the right arm next to the right side of your body. Keep neck relaxed and stretch the left arm to the right side. Bring a nice deep lateral stretch while keeping the sit bones over the yoga mat. Breathe in and out. Continue looking ahead, and then with the exhale, come to the center. This time extend the left hand at the base and right over the extension. Hands, neck, ear. Stay comfortable. Breathe continuously and keep your arms strong and sit bones over the yoga mat. Feel the stretch to the side, and with the exhale, come back. And now bring your arms and try to hug yourself by overlapping each other elbows. Again, extend to the side, and this time change the elbow one over the other. Exhale. Now palms over the knees and fold forward. Keep your shoulder blades, your upper arms strong, and feel the stretch in your upper spine too. Inhale, come back, and with the exhale, come on all fours. Hips and knees are in a line, and shoulders and palms are in a line. Inhale, look up, and as you exhale, you curl your spine and look at the navel. Inhale, create the lengthening in the spine, and exhale, fold it completely. Inhale, exhale, keep your core engaged. Inhale, and exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, and now extend the arms in front of the body. Start by lifting the knees off and get into a plank pose. Keep your arms, upper body, legs in a linear line while looking in between the thumbs. And exhale, lower down the knees and relax in forward fold in a puppy pose. Again, breathe in and lift your knees off and get into plank pose back. Hold the pose, have the alignment right, and remember to breathe in and out. Fixing gaze at one point could really help in focusing. And as you exhale, lower down the knees, create the extension in the puppy pose. And this time extend the right arm and interlock the left one to the other side for practicing stretch, thread the needle. Inhale, come up, and then exhale, extend the left hand and bring the right one to the right side and thread the needle. Breathe in and out. Come up and stand on your knees. Push the hips forward, hands at the lower back or over the heel. You can keep one hand over the heel and extend the other arm. Breathe in and out, keep chest open, hips pushed forward, and exhale, relax. This time, left palm over the left heel. Inhale, extend the right hand. Breathe in and out. Exhale, come back, and then sit up over your heels. In the Vajrasana, keep your spine straight, neutral, make yourself comfortable, and then bring the hands over the head. Grab the elbows and with inhale, and then exhale, fold forward. As you inhale, come up. Release the hands and bring the right palm to the right side of the hip and create a right twist to the spine. Breathe in and out. Exhale, release. This time bring the left palm to the left side of the hip. Look back. Breathe in and out. Hold the pose. And then release. Now extend both the legs in front of the body. Sit upright in Dandasana. Inhale, hands goes up. And with the exhale, gently fold forward. Hands could be over the knees, shin bone, or could be grabbing the big toes. Make yourself comfortable and then fold right leg. Bring the toe next to the knee. Fold the other one. Bring it close to the chest. Lift the feet off the yoga mat. Hands to the sides of the thighs and hold the Navasana. Use your core to stabilize. You can also grab the thighs for extending the legs for a better support and creating more extension in the Navasana. Legs could be straightened up or folded in L shape. And then with the exhale, bring the legs down. Now from here, with all the power, sit upright, really down in a Malasana in yogic squat. Lower down your hips with every breath. Keep your knees, chest wide open. Bring the toes down, heels down. Use any prop under your hips if you are needing that. Keep your chest open, hands at the heart center together for keeping the momentum and for the better stability and for a deeper Malasana. Continue to breathe. Bring both the palms down. And now from here, lie down on your belly over the yoga mat. Your elbow and shoulders should be aligned in a straight line. Have the arms down. Your simple back bend should be comfortable enough. Palms are down, feet are pointed back. Make yourself comfortable. Now bring the palms next to the shoulder. As you inhale, gently lift up. Hold, breathe. Exhale, lower down. Again, inhale, get into a cobra. Again, this time try to go a little higher in the cobra, and if possible, let your knees go off the yoga mat into upward facing dog. Breathe in and out. Exhale, lower down the knees and lower down your upper body. Hands underneath your forehead. Relax in Makarasana. Now from here, as you inhale, relax in child pose by extending the arms in front of the body, lowering down the hips over the heels. Breathe in and out. Now lie down over your back on the yoga mat. Bring the feet close to your body. Now inhale, lift off into bridge pose. Breathe in and out. Use the power of your pelvic floor to hold, hang in there. Relax your neck and shoulders and exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up, and this time try to go a little higher than the last time. And breathe in and out. Exhale, lower down your hips. Feel the breath, fold the right knee, bring it close to the chest. Breathe in and out. Now fold the left knee, bring close to the chest again. Breathe in and out. Now bring both the knees together close to the chest without stretching the neck. Breathe in and out, and finally extend both the legs to the sides of the body. Now make yourself comfortable and lie down, hands to the sides of the body. Relax completely, and at this moment make any last changes if you have to, and after that try not to move your body physically and try to be present with your breath. As you inhale, you feel your belly is going up, and as you exhale, you feel your belly is going down. Breathe in and out and let your body feel relaxed, rejuvenated, and ready to do whatever you need to do on your daily lifestyle. Use this time to feel your muscles, all the changes that might have occurred through this practice. Let your body feel relaxed, composed, yet powerful to go through any kind of challenges which your lifestyle may throw you in front of you. Make some gentle movements of the highlights of your practice, and also let go all the flaws. Make yourself a promise to show up for yourself on daily basis to get most out of this practice. And when you feel ready, stretch your body in a line. Fold one leg at a time. Switch to the either side of the body. Take the support of the floor and sit upright. At this moment, you can continue to breathe little well. And when you feel composed and ready to end your practice, after few rounds of breath, start rubbing your palms and gather all the energy over your face and body, and you're good to end your practice now. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I hope this practice bring you joy and make you feel practice more often. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I will definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.